back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today's your first time on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So today we're going to be learning about action words in Yoruba language. All right. And as you know, we are going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language. Okay. So just the way we do it on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Àtidékẹ́. Tí ó ní bá jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ máa wá sórí ètò wò inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí ẹ káàbọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní òní a máa kọ́ nípa ṣíṣe nǹkan. Ṣé ó yé yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òní mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ẹ má bá wa ká lọ, ẹ ṣeun gidi gan. Alright guys, so today we're going to be learning about action words in Yoruba language, okay? And I'll be telling you what they mean. Alright? So please repeat after me. Jókòó. Jókòó. Jókòó means sit. Okay? Dìde. Dìde means stand. Okay? Now, jáde. Jáde. Jáde means go out. Wọlé. Wọlé. Wọlé means come in. Okay? Sọ̀rọ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀ means talk. Sọ̀rọ̀. Okay? Dákẹ́. Dákẹ́. Dákẹ́ means keep quiet. Keep quiet. Okay? Dákẹ́. All right? Díjú. Díjú. Díjú means close your eyes. Díjú. All right? Lajú. Lajú. Lajú means open your eyes. Okay? No, don't whiten it like mine. All right? Then sáré. Sáré. Sáré means run. Run. Sáré. Sáré. Sáré means run. Okay? Pàtẹ́wọ́. Pàtẹ́wọ́. Pàtẹ́wọ́ means clap your hands. Pàtẹ́wọ́. Clap your hands. Okay? Dúró. Dúró means stand. Dúró. Stand. And dúró can also mean stop. You can either use dúró for someone who you want standing up, or someone that you want to stop from doing something. So maybe your sibling is running and you want them to stop. You can just say, Tolu, dúró. Okay? And also, if you want someone to stand, you can either use dúró or dìde. Okay? Did you understand that? Okay? Let's continue. Sukún. Sukún means crying. Okay? So let's say your sibling is crying, or you can say Tolu sukún. Rẹ́rìn means you should laugh. Okay? Rẹ́rìn means laugh. Dọ̀bálẹ̀. Dobale. By now, you should know what dobale is. If you remember when we're doing our greeting, I showed you a picture of how a male child with dobale, that means prostrate, and how a female will kneel down. So that will be kunle. Okay, kunle means to kneel down. Okay, beautiful. So let's take it all over again. Okay, so if I ask you to joko, you know that is to sit. If I say dide, that is to stand. If I say wa, come. If I say wole, you come in. If I say jade, go out. If I say sare, run. If I say duro, stand or stop. Okay? If I say patewo, that means clap your hands. If I say diju, close your eyes. If I say laju, open your eyes. Rearing, you smile. If I say sukun, you mean that someone is crying. If I say dobale, that is to prostrate to greet an elderly person. And if I tell you to kunle, as a female child, I'm telling you to kneel down to greet. All right? And that is it for this week. I hope our mommies and our daddies will use all of these action words for us during the week. Okay? And then next week, we're going to be learning another interesting thing. All right? Okay, then. So just before we go, like you all know, we say our Odabo on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Odabo! Thank you very much, Eshu.